Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and making a backup. That protects your data if something goes wrong. Once that's done, free up roughly 10–20% disk space and connect your Mac to power and a reliable Wi-Fi network. Now open System Settings, go to General, then Software Update and click Check for updates. You're starting the process immediately because downloading and verifying the installer takes time. Initiating it now avoids delays later and ensures you're on the latest security fixes. You'll see the download begin and an estimated time. Monitor the size and progress so you can plan a restart window. While it downloads, quit Open Apps and Save Documents because the installer will prepare the system and may need exclusive access to files. Once downloaded, the Mac verifies the package. This is a critical integrity check to prevent corrupted installs, so make sure the machine stays awake and connected. If you need to pause, do so before verification completes, then resume when ready. Click Install and let the Mac restart. You'll see a progress bar and occasional minutes remaining updates, which vary by model. Once the install completes, sign back in and verify system settings to confirm the new version, then launch your key apps to ensure compatibility. If something looks off, reboot once more and check for additional updates. If installation fails, boot into safe mode or reset NVRAM to clear transient issues. Then retry the update or run the installer from a bootable installer as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.